Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how you can create this easy curly updo that's perfect for the holidays, so please stay tuned. So I started by moisturizing my hair with this Cantu leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is the perfect conditioner for my hair type. It actually leaves my hair quite soft and manageable to some extent. My hair was a little bit dry in this video. I had washed my hair the day before, and that is how my hair looks with no product in it. Starting off by trying to section off the front, because the front is where we're going to put all the curls. So I'm sectioning off quite a large section in my opinion on the front, because this is a curly updo and I really wanted a lot of curls on my hair. So I put some more of that leave-in conditioner on the section. My hair was very dry in this video, so I was trying my best to get it as moisturized as I can, and I had to comb out the section so that it's a little bit manageable, and I'm putting it away by putting it in a large plait, and I'm going to put that section away for the time being. So I'm using my Blue Magic Originals, the one with castor oil in it, and I'm going to use this to oil my scalp. Now every time that you see me oiling my scalp, I'm using this castor oil to do it. I find that this castor oil is quite lightweight and my scalp loves it, so I'm using it to oil my scalp. I have to oil my scalp. There's no going around it. I have a very dry scalp, so I have to oil my scalp. And I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges to actually sleek down my edges and the perimeter of the twist that I'm doing, so that the flat twist can be sleek when I'm doing it. I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard as the styler. I'm using that on the length of my hair, and I'm not forgetting the tips because my tips need love too and they're very dry. I begin flat twisting. Now I really wanted to show you guys how to flat twist, but I don't think I have the camera angle set up where I can actually show you guys how I flat twist. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube that you can use to learn how to flat twist. And I kind of do it kind of handicapped, so I don't know how I learned to flat twist like this, but this is how I flat twist. I'm also not forgetting to put some of the styler on the ends of my hair. I didn't want my hair to be dry in this video. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it one more time. I parted my hair in this section. I used the castor oil to oil my scalp, and I used the Cream of Nature edge control on the roots of my hair. I used Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala on the length of my hair, not forgetting the ends, and then I comb it out. I switch combs from the fine teeth comb to the white tooth comb because I found that the fine tooth comb was breaking out my hair, and then I just begin twisting, flat twisting. Don't forget to add some of the styler to the ends of your hair if it is feeling dry at any point in time. I'm doing the back section now. I really hope you can grasp the technique at least. Like I said, I kind of do the flat twist a little bit handicapish in my opinion, but you know, anything to get the style going, I guess. At least I can do it, right? Alright, so moving on to the front of my hair now that the flat twists are finished. I section off the top part of my hair in three sections going across, and in each section there are either three or four sections in each large section. I put some of Aunt Jackie's Curlala on my hair. And then I detangled the section and not forgetting to oil my scalp. Then I start by twisting the roots, and then I add the yellow flexi rods onto the ends of my hair and roll it all the way up to the root and try to get it as tight as possible. Now, to be honest, you don't need to twist the root of your hair because it will become undone when you're doing the flexi rods, when you're putting the flexi rods on it, so that's not necessary. And I kind of figured that out when I did the second one, but I don't know, I have a little bit of OCD, so I still continue doing it even though I didn't need to do it. Now for the flat twists, the ends of the flat twists that I did, I put some of the blue flexi rods on those because I wanted those to curl also, but I didn't want a really tight curl for those. I tied down my hair, I went to bed, and the next day when I was going to work, I pulled out my hair. Now I didn't use any oils or anything like that when I did the flexi rods, and I don't think that the style dried enough for me to get like that nice curl, but it did curl, you know, it did come out good. But if I had let it dry a little bit more, I would have get a little bit more curls. So try and let your flexi rods dry either overnight or under a hooded dryer so that you can get some nice curls. I began to separate them. Because I twisted the roots, it was easier for me to separate them because the section was already separated at the root. So I found that I didn't get a lot of frizz. I began to pin it into place and style it how I wanted it to be styled, like let it lay how I wanted it to lay. So I pinned it. I wanted all the curls to drop down in my face at the front, and I wanted all the curls, I styled it how I wanted to style it, like I shaped it how I wanted to shape it. Then I decided that I wanted to put some hair jewels on it, so I used the silver ones. The gold ones, they don't really last long, and at the end of the week they're going to turn silver, so I started using the silver ones. I liked it, but after a while I took them out. I used the Cream of Nature edge control on my edges, trying to lay some baby hairs down. And that's basically it. I think the style came out cute. I really liked it. That's it for the end of the video. I really hope that you try this style, and if you try it, let me know. It's a cute look for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe for more content because I have more videos coming on the way. And as always, enough love, big up yourself, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.